This how to 1 minute will show you how to password protect post and page in WordPress. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to password protect any page and post. Log into your WordPress dashboard and I'm going to my post section. And now I'm going to edit a post and here select post and you will get the visibility option. So click on the visibility and here you have to select password protect. Now write here a password, click on update. Now I'm going to view the post. As you can see, the post is password protected. To view the post, I need to enter the password and then I will be able to see the post. So this is how we can password protect a WordPress post. Now let's password protect a WordPress page. So I'm going to clicking on pages and here's I'm editing the sample page. Now I'm clicking on visibility and selecting password protect, entering the password, update and viewing the page. So that's how we can password protect a WordPress post and page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.